everybody. So I got a 2011 Mercedes Benz E350 and my AC keeps making a really loud noise. Right now it's running okay. I'm not driving anywhere, but when I'm driving I hit bumps, the noise gets really loud. I mean super loud, and the air kind of stops blowing. And so right now I got it. This is the highest I can go. I go one more up higher, it's guaranteed to do it. So I'm gonna do it right now, and you're gonna hear the loud noise. So I always gotta turn it off and then turn it back on, and it's like normal again. But as soon as I hit a bump or just randomly, it'll just do it. And it's always over here underneath this glove compartment that it makes the really loud noise. So I don't know what the issue could be. If anybody knows, I'd really appreciate any pointers. So I'll be looking out for you guys' replies. Thanks, everybody.